All right, we got the moment of truth coming, man. Woo! We'll see if we're gonna have sparks. Let's see, such a smart guy, very talented with his hands and his brain.
We have yet to look at the directions. This is real time so far. All right, well, you asked for it. You're gonna get it.
Hey guys, happy Friday and welcome back. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different video than what we might normally produce. It's kind of mainly for our regular hardcore viewers, our viewers that stick with us through thick and thin. This last week or so I spent a lot more time than normal with Felipe, pro staffer Phil. We took a couple road trips for various reasons, but anyways, we've been working on a lot of projects, so this is just a compilation of my last week or week and a half over at Pro Staffer Phil's, and you'll get to see some previews of some videos that are upcoming soon. Anyways, I thought it would be interesting to give Phil a little press. He's such a smart guy, very talented with his hands and his brain. That's why I love going over there and working on projects with him. Anyways, I hope you enjoy it. Have a great weekend. Thanks a lot.
So here we are. Putting the...
Oh wait, you want me to help with that?
Well, I said we, right? We are doing this. We are doing this.
Our regulars will get that. Somebody's got to hold the camera and the flashlight.
Well, yeah, somebody's got to be the cameraman.
All right, they got 2 extra slots for rocker switches. Phil tested this rocker so he knows which way's on, which way's off.
It's off all the time, or did you throw that one away yet?
I got a new, it kept telling me bad SD card wasn't good enough, so I got a new SD card for it. Hey folks, welcome back. Beautiful day in the Ozarks here, December of 2024. Road trip today. So if you're stuck at your crummy job, or if you're cooped up in the house, or you can't get out and you want to get some fresh air with me and Felipe, then let's go for a ride. We got a bunch of missions that we're going to do today. I got my Can-Am ATV on. That's overdue for service. The power steering is acting wonky.
Charge it. It's fully charged.
Then we're going to pick up his Polaris at his place. We're going to take his Polaris in. They're going to change the oil in that. And then we're going to bring my Can-Am in when we pick up his Polaris today. And then we're going to do his golf cart buggy upgrade, lithium upgrade. And then whatever else he's got going at his farm. But we waited for a nice day. It's supposed to be 55 and sunny today here. December, I think, 4th now? Or what are we? Yeah, the 4th. So let's get some fresh air and enjoy the scenery.
Spray your truck like DTF does. All right, well, you asked for it. You're going to get it. We got a great response on the battery change out we did on the Intimidator for Joe. A good partner showed up and offered us a battery to change out mine for it, but it knows it's there.
All right, got Phil's buggy on. Got the Can-Am off. We're gonna do phase 1 of the trip. They're gonna service that while we're working. We're gonna go pick it up this morning. Nice. Makes me want to go for a ride. All right, what do you...
So what we have here, you have to edit that out. Scam. So this is just a cheap Amazon.
Good. I just wanted a new segment.
We have yet to look at the directions. This is real time so far. So that just looks like a short extension cord. I do not have one. We'll cover what I got when we get ready to take that off.
Oh, okay, the light came on.
I have a light here,
Green.
and now I have
That's lit up.
I have a charging light. So it's flashing red, which must mean.
All right, let's fire them up, see how they look. Right there, whoops, I must have shut it off.
So now we're going to make that other connection and the final black connection. So we're going to take this, so there's no confusion. We'll do this one. And this one.
So now you just made the wire we're working with hot.
No, not yet. Not yet. So that was, so now the front light is now complete.
Okay.
The front light is now complete. When I tie these two together, this is coming from our switch. This comes from our switch and this goes to our rear light.
Cold today. All right, we made it home. Phil's got some big plans for this top secret project. Gonna go for a ride. I didn't want to run that over. I don't know what.
Yeah, the wind.
I'll get out a few times to get some.
I swear the other day I seen a small bird going on.
They gotta. All right, so this is for all you non-techie guys, kind of like me, who are doing this. Phil, tell us the difference on having a lighted rocker, like these are all lighted, versus just having one like this that doesn't have a light.
Well, the non-lit is just a set of dry contacts. It's just a make or break inside of there off of those two posts to our ground, tie into there, and then we'd have to have two more wires.
All right, we got the wire dressed up. Proof, video proof that I'm doing something right now.
Video proof. Well, even the mighty Casey struck out once in a while. See, it's already corroding.
Yep.
Yeah, remember where my wires to my Ninja lights go.
All right, we got the moment of truth coming, man. Whoo! We'll see if we're gonna have sparks. Oh, it looks faster.